अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कैफ़ हालुकी या निदा
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। बिखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कैफ हालुकी अंती?
बिखैर व आफिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। So how was
How's your health?
Alhamdulillah, it's going like
Getting
you can
better.
say towards
Salam.
health.
May Allah give you health. May Allah give you, speedy recovery.
Jazakallah khair.
Ameen.
Okay, so what about your practice? How is it going? And today, inshallah, we will do some practice regarding the words of Wahid, Musanna, and Jama. Musanna is dual, right? So let me share the screen. Okay, I hope everyone is, if screen is visible to everyone. All right. Here it is. As we have done last time, the chart. So firstly, can we repeat the chart? Yes, Nida or Zainab.
You're talking about Muslimatun one?
Yes,
That one you're talking about
yes,
today?
Rafa Nasab
Okay,
and
now.
Jar chart.
Rafa Nasab. Okay, now, yes. Rafa is Muslimun. And the dual of that is Muslimani and the plural is Muslimuna. The nasab is Musliman, and of which you can say mansub as well. Muslimaina, sorry,
Maini.
Muslimaini and Muslimai,
Muslimin.
and the dual is Muslimi,
Word is
na.
Muslimaini.
Second, dual is Muslimaini and the plural is Muslimina. Correct?
Exactly, exactly.
And the majroor is Muslimin,
Yes,
which is the dual of that is Muslimaini and the plural of that is Muslimaina. Fine?
Muslimina.
Muslimina. Okay, fine. Okay.
Yes.
Muslimina.
Basically, Mansub and Majroor are same, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Both
Muslim.
Musanna like dual and plural are same of Majroor and Mansub, right?
Haan.
Okay.
Yes. Muslimaini is dual and Muslimina is plural. Fine?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So in this
Okay.
way, we can repeat kind of thing. So we can easily remember Muslimun. Like you can bring it in your head that I am going to revise, I'm going to practice about Marfu, Mansoob, and Majroor. Marfu is Dhamma, Pesh. Mansoob is Zabar, Fatha, and Majroor is Kasra, Zir. So, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani,
Muslim.
Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So, this is the chart for male. When we talk about female, so it would be the same thing, but except last column, except plural. Plural pattern is little different in feminine. Like Muslimun, so we can convert it into from masculine to feminine, Muslimatun. Muslimin, Musliman, Muslimatan. Muslimin, Muslimatin. Likewise, Muslimani, Muslimatani. Muslimaini, Muslimataini. Muslimataini. Then plural. Plural is Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. And when we talk about feminine, so it has a little different pattern in plural chart, like Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. It's an easy thing, but it's a tricky one, so we need to remember.
अच्छा नहीं, ये जो आपने प्लूरल बताया इसमें मुस्लिमातुन, मुस्लिमातिन, मुस्लिमातिन, both are
Exactly.
tin and tin.
Exactly. Both are correct. Both are
Oh,
similar, same only.
both are tin. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Like this, okay? All right, so here we have a chart of some different vocabulary like mudarrisun. So mudarrisun is what? Marfu, mansub or majroor? Yes, Zainab or Nida. Mudarrisun has
It's marfu.
exactly, it has dhamma. So when we have dhamma, so it would be marfu or rafa. So mudarrisun, its dual is mudarrisani and plural is mudarrisuna. And if we would have we would talk about feminine, so we would say mudarrisatun, mudarrisatun. Its plural is mudarrisatani, mudarrisatani, and mudarrisatun. It's plural. So likewise, here mudarrisatani. Here they have given the mudarrisina, mudarrisatina. Sorry, mudarrisataini, mudarrisataini. Are you getting it?
Addition of ta there is
Exactly. When we would have a mansoob and majroor, so we would make it mudarrisaini, and for plural, what would be what would it be? Mudarrisina, mudarrisatina. And if we talk about dual, mudarrisaini, mudarrisataini. Okay,
Okay. Musanni.
I hope it's clear. Now, muazzafun and muazzafatun. So, what would it be through the male chart? Muazzafun,
Muwazzafani and muwazzafini, and then muwazzafatani, muwazzafataini.
and
What does
plural is
muazzaf means?
muazzaf is host.
Host. Okay. Okay. Mudarris is teacher. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Mudarris is teacher. Muazzaf is host. Okay.
yes. So, male, I'm talking about male host. So, muazzafun, its dual is it's marfu and its dual is muazzafani. And if we talk about muazzafan, so if it would be muazzafan, so it would be a dual would be muazzafaini, and its plural would be muazzafani, muazzafuna, and if it would be muazzafan, muazzafaini, and muazzafina. Okay, so right now we have only marfu, but we need to check the mansoob and majroor as well. Likewise, when we talk about feminine, muazzafatun, muazzafatani, muazzafatun. And if it would be mansoob like muazzafatan, so we would have muazzafataini and muazzafatun. All right, muazzafatun. Muazzafatin. In mansoob and majroor, it would be tin. Muhandisun, muhandisatun. So muhandisani, muhandisuna, muhandisatun, muhandisatani, muhandisataini, muhandisatun. Is there any confusion in this chart? So kindly ask me, otherwise we will move on. I hope everything is clear.
देखिए मुहंदिसुन is singular, ठीक है ना? मुहंदिसानी it is dual muzakkar.
Marfu. Yeah, it's marfu and dual.
Marfu, ठीक है ना? And muhandisini is dual.
Muhandisaini. Aini.
Muhandisaini
Aini.
also is dual, but it is for mansoob and majroor. Is it like this?
Exactly.
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके। ये जो नीचे वाले वर्ड्स हैं सब में वो मंसूब और मजरूर के लिए है,
एग्जैक्टली।
क्योंकि मंसूब और मजरूर का जो डुएल होता है वो सेम होता है। ठीक है।
बिल्कुल।
और फिर जो लास्ट वाले वर्ड है मोहनदिसूना, वो मतलब है कि मल्टीपल्स के लिए हैं, और
फॉर मेल।
मल्टीपल्स में
फॉर मेल।
यानी फॉर मेल है, और मल्टीपल्स में तीनों सेम होते हैं, यानी मरफू मजरूर और मंसूब तीनों एक ही जैसे होंगे।
नो, वी हैव डिस्कस ना, मोहंदिसीना, मोहंदिसीना, ईना।
नहीं नहीं, मैं मल्टीपल की बात कर रही हूँ। देखिए हमने
I
कहा
told you about
मोहनदिसानी।
multiple. Let me repeat the chart. Listen it very carefully.
हाँ
Muslimun,
अगेन।
Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. These are the dual chart. And next is plural. Muslimuna is marfu multiple. Muslimina is mansoob multiple, and Muslimina is majroor multiple. Got it? Ina. Ina
अच्छा,
sound.
इन्होंने इन्होंने यहाँ मल्टीपल में जो है वो
They,
सिर्फ
they didn't give. They didn't give. They
मरफू का
didn't give.
मेंशन किया है, मजरूर
Exactly.
और नहीं मेंशन किया। ओके ओके ओके,
Yes.
क्योंकि
They
इन्होंने
didn't
डुएल
mention.
में दोनों का मेंशन किया है, इसलिए मैं कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ कि इन्होंने यहाँ क्यों नहीं मेंशन किया। ये मुझे थोड़ा सा ये
Exactly.
कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी।
Like you, have
ठीक
you
है,
heard
समझ गया।
about the verse al-mu'minina al-mu'minati
यस यस यस।
al-saimina
अल मुजरिम
as-saimati. Exactly.
अल मोमिनीना वल मोमिनाती वल
Exactly.
कानितीना वल कानिताती वन साबिरीना
Exactly.
वस साबिराती
It has so many
वल
words. So you
हाँ।
can go through this verse after the class. So you will get so many words, multiple words, so you can get to know. But we need to know that when it would be, as I told you, when it would be the mansoob and majroor, like it would be with fatha or kasra. So its multiple would be ina. Ina sound would come. Mohandisina. Mohandisina. Okay? But when we talk about feminine, so feminine's multiples are atin, atin in mansoob and majroor. All right. And atun is rafa, marfu. Okay, Nida? I hope everything
ओके ओके।
is clear. All right. So let's move on. Here we have more words, more examples like kitabun. So as I told you, this is the marfu, and marfu musanna or dual is ani. We have to remember in our head that ani is the sound of for dual. Ani is the sound for dual in marfu with dhamma. If we would have the word with dhamma, so we will make the its dual in ani sound. Like kitabun, kitabani, qalamun, qalamani, rajulun, rajulani, waladun, waladani, babun, babani, muslimun, muslimani, imratun, imratani, shajaratun, shajaratani, jannatun, jannatani, bintun, bintani, sagatun, sagatani, muslimatun, muslimatani. Let me make some examples. Like for instance, let's make mansoob and majroor of kalamun. How would it? How would it be? Kalaman, kalamin.
कलमन कलमिन, देन काफ अच्छा ये जबर के अच्छा इसकी बिगिनिंग जो है वो जबर से कलमीना
Aini,
कलमैनी
aini.
कलमैनी कलमैनी एंड कलमीना कलमीना।
Exactly. For now, we would have to pay attention in the dual things. So we would we can easily get to know about all of the things like make sawatun. So it's sawatun, so that's why it's sawatani. If it would be sawatan, sawatin, so how would it be?
दोबारा बोलिएगा।
Wait a minute. Like this is the word sawatun. It's with
हाँ
dhamma.
ठीक है।
So
हाँ
if it
सेकेंड
would
है।
be nasab or jar like sawatan or sawatin, so how would it
सातन,
be?
हाँ सातिन होगा और सातन होगा।
Sawatan, yes, exactly. So how would it be in dual?
एक मिनट, एक मिनट दीजिएगा।
सातैनी होगा।
सातानी, सात,
Yes, exactly. Zainab ने ठीक कहा, सागतैनी, दकीकतैनी,
सातैन।
as I told you, दकीकतुन,
हम्म
दकीकतानी, दकीकतन,
हम्म
दकीकतिन,
हम्म
दकीकतैनी. So here,
हम्म
if it would be sagatan and
हम्म
sagatin, so it would be
हम्म
sagataini, sagataini. Like here,
सातैन।
yeah, kitabaini. If it would be instead of dhamma, if it would be kasra or fatha, so it would be
हम्म
kitabaini, kalamaini, rajulaini, waladaini, babaini, muslimaini, imrataini, shajarataini, jannataini, bintaini,
हम्म
muslimataini, like this, okay?
टीचर एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी आपसे, ये जो आखिर में दमा और ये इनका जो फर्क है, दमा रफा और जर का,
Exactly.
ये तो ये इनका क्या मीन्स चेंज हो जाते हैं? जैसे हम कुरान पढ़ते हैं तो यही कहते हैं कि राब का बहुत ख्याल रखें, मतलब चेंज हो जाते हैं। यानी अगर राजू
Exactly.
लुन की जगह राजू लन या राजू
Exactly.
लिन होगा
Yes. Yeah.
तो
Day before
इसमें
yesterday.
ज्यादा डिफरेंस आ रहा है?
Yeah, I got it. What do you wanna ask? Pay attention. It is very important point that in day before yesterday's class, I explained about these things that if there would be dhamma, we would have the dhamma in at the end of the word. So it means it's a doer. The thing which is subject in the sentence. Are you getting my point? Like I would say, Zahidun, uh, Zahidun, Darabun, uh, Majidun. Zahidun,
समाउन या
Daraban, yes. Zahidun, Daraban, Majidun. So tell me, Zahid is subject or Majid is subject? If I would say in English,
जाहिद सब्जेक्ट।
Zahid beated or hitted Majid. Zahid hitted Majid.
Okay. It's
I say.
the active and passive voice means if we want to put Majid first, then the Arab will change for Darab.
Exactly. See, when it would be Dhamma, it means it's subject. And when it would be
Okay.
Fatha, it means object. Like the thing or the person to be done. जिस पर वो काम हुआ है. Like Majid hitted Zahid. So how would I say?
माजिदुन,
Majid.
माजिदुन दरब, हिटेड ना,
Exactly.
दरब
Majid daraba.
माजिदिन,
Majid daraba.
दरबा माजिदिन, माजिदिन।
Majidun daraba
आपने
Zahidun.
कहा जाहिद हिटेड
Zahidan.
माजिद ना?
Majidun daraba Zahidan. माजिद ने
Zahidan.
जाहिद को मारा. माजिद
हाँ,
हिटेड
दन,
जाहिद.
जाहिदन, क्योंकि फतह, हाँ, फतह, फतह मींस
Exactly.
ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, सही।
माजिदुन दरबा जाहिदन. Okay?
इसको हम वॉइस वर्सा इतना बना सकते हैं, जैसे हम उर्दू में तो इतना यूज नहीं होता, लेकिन इंग्लिश में पैसिव वॉइस यूज होता है कि जाहिद
Being
मारा
hitted.
गया माजिद से।
Yes, exactly. Being hitted. Like Majid, Zahid was being hitted by Majid, right? This is active passive voice in
Yes, sir.
English.
हम्म
Yeah, exactly. So this is the way we can discriminate that. How can we discriminate in between Dhamma, Fatha and Kasra, Pesh, Zabar or Zer? So likewise, we need to see it. Okay. That's why I say we used to say that in Quran, Arabs change the meanings. So we would have to be careful while we recite Quran. Obviously, if Allah is saying something to a person, and if we are changing the Arab, automatically the meaning would be totally changed. And obviously, you know that Nauzubillah, we can twist the sentence. So that's why we need to be careful for that. I hope you got it. Let's move on. Okay. So next words are here. Like kafirun, kafirani, mu'minun, mu'minani, munafiqun, munafiqun, munafiqani, salihun, salihani, mushrikun, mushrikani. And here kafiratun, kafiratani, mu'minatun, mu'minatani, munafiqatani, salihatani, mushrikatani. If it would be mansoob or majroor, so I would have to put the last thing ani instead of ani, we put aini. It would be aini. This is the trick. So we need to remember. If it would be dhamma here, we will put ani sound at the end. If it would be nasab or jar like fatha or kasra, so we would have to put aini sound at the end instead of ani.
It means it will be walidaini. एक मिनट
Exactly.
बाइनी
Waladaini, waladaini.
मुस्लिमाइनी sorry वलदैनी बाइनी मुस्लिमाइनी काफिरैनी काफ सही पढ़ रही हो
Mhm.
मोमिनैनी मुनाफिकैनी सालिहैनी मुशरिकैनी
Yes,
ऐसा होगा
exactly.
शजरतैनी जन्नतैनी बिनतैनी सआतैनी मुस्लिमतानी का तो
Limataini.
मुस्लिमतैनी ठीक है एंड काफिरतैनी मोमिनतैनी मुनाफिकतैनी सालिहतैनी and mushrikatayni.
Exactly. If we will do a lot of words practice, so automatically we will have the understanding. So try to do a lot of practice. I will share these charts in groups so you guys can make sentences as well, including these kind of things. Anyway, so this is also Hasanun, Hasanani, Fasiqun, Fasikani, Sadiqun, Sadiqani, Khalidun, Khalidani, Khashiyun, Khashiyani, Sahirun, Sahirani, Ilahun, Ilahani, Rasulun, Rasulani, Gulamun, Gulamani, Hasanatun, Hasanatani. So all of the things would come in you can say feminine. Like ayatun, ayatani, ainun, ainani, darun, darani, these kind of things. Now here you can notice two things. Here we can see the things are going in a flow. Ani, 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 everything like the same word come and after the same word automatically ani will come or tani will come. So these are there are two types of plural. There are two types of plural. One is muqassir and one is salim. Salim is the whole one. This is the whole plural. Like we put the word completely. We don't break the word. And after exactly the word, we add ani with the word. Are you getting my point? So it's a complete whole, you can say salim. It is called salim plural. But if we talk about the broken plural, so let me know like this. Here you can say ani se pehle aapne akh ke saath waw add kar diya hai. So this is the mukassir. This which is called broken plural. Broken plural क्या होता है जिसके अंदर हम कुछ add करते हैं या वो differently plural में convert हो रहा होता है. It would be converted in a different way like akh. Akh is brother. Akhavani, two brothers. So akhavani में हमने वाव को add किया है to make a broken plural. But it is not the plural basically we are talking about right now. Dwell. Okay. So we are not supposed to get confused. जो ये होते हैं dwell होते हैं they would come in a fluent way. Some of the words are a little bit different like this. You can say akhavani and abavani. Otherwise, I'm talking about the plural. Plural has two things like there is a noun, okay, which has no rules and regulations. That is called broken plural. Mukassar, plural mukassar, jama mukassar. And the plural which has the rules, it is called salim. Like for instance, let's move on. I'm telling you these kind of things we can say. There are two kinds of plural. Okay, so here salim. In salim, you have una and atun. Una is for muzakkar and atun is for muannas, for masculine and feminine. And salim is complete, as I told you, complete plural. Like we will add the same word as it is, and at the end we will add these two letters, una or atun. So automatically it will become a complete plural, and mukassir is a broken. Let's check the examples. Like for instance, Muslimun. These are the complete plural, means salim, jama salim. It is called jama salim. Like as it is, word is coming and una, we will add it. Like Muslimun, Muslimuna, Mu'minun, Mu'minuna, Salihun, Salihuna, Munafiqun, Munafiquna, Muhsinun, Muhsinuna, Zalimun, Zalimuna, Sahirun, Sahiruna, Mujahidun, Mujahiduna, Rajiun, Rajiuna, Khasirun, Khasiruna, Mufsidun, Mufsiduna, Kafirun, Kafiruna, Mushrikun, Mushrikuna, Fasikun, Fasikuna, Kazibun, Kazibuna, Khashiyun, Khashiyuna, Nasirun, Nasiruna, Naibun, Naibuna. Sorry, Taibun है कि नाइबुन है? Taibun. ताइबुन ताइबूना तौबा करने वाला. मुजरिमुन मुजरिमूना. खबीसुन खबीसूना. साइमुन साइमूना. खालिदुन खालिदूना. These are the Quranic words, right? So I hope you have gone through these words in Quran. Let's make them in feminine, like muhsinun, muhsinun, muhsinatun, khashiyatun, nasiratun, ta'ibatun, mujrimatun, khabisatun, sa'imatun, mushrikatun, fasikatun, rajiatun, khasiratun. So the word will come as it is, and we will add una or atun in plural, which is complete plural. It is called jama salim. Faizun, faizuna, ghafilun, ghafiluna, qanitun, qanituna, mughridun, mughriduna, tayyibun, tayyibuna, nabiyyun, nabiyyuna. These all words jama salim. Now let's discuss about the jama mukassar, which is broken plural, like this. If we would have the words like this, like rasulun, rasulun. So here rasul is not coming as it is. Are you getting it? It is rusulun, rusulun. We have broken the word and we made it in a different way. Rusulun is the plural. Akhun, ikhwanun, rahibun, ruhbanun, rabbun, arbabun, hibrun, ahbarun, kafirun, kuffarun. Are you noticing what I'm trying to say? These are the broken plural because the real word is changed into the different word while we will going to make the plural. Sahibun, ashabun, abun, abaun, barrun, abrarun, ilahun, alihatun, fajirun, fujjarun, abdun, ibadun. These are the broken plurals. Yes. So far, I hope everything got clear. Is there any confusion? So kindly let me know. Yes.
नहीं, तो इसमें तो फिर ये है ना कि जो आपने ब्रोकन प्लूरल्स का कहा वो तो फिर आपको बाय हार्ट ही याद करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि उसमें कोई रूल तो नजर नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा कुछ.
No,
कोई
there is no
पर्टिकुलर
rule.
रूल तो है नहीं.
Yeah, there is no
है.
rule in broken plurals. Without
हाँ, तो
rules,
वो
we like in Urdu, you remember that we have learned a lot of times singular and plural, and in different way we made them. So here there are two types. Like in a when we make the whole word as it is, so it would be the whole plural, and this would be the broken plural. So obviously we need to learn it, and it's a tricky one. Probably the words begin with the alif, usually when we make the words in, convert the words in the plural from the singular. So we need to, yes, we need to learn them. They are not difficult. When we practice it, we can easily remember them. Yes, Nida or Zen.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's move on. Already we have done this. Okay, muhkamatun, muhkamatun, khalatun, khalatun, sabiratun, sabiratun. Now tell me, these are the mukassar or salim?
They are Salim.
Exactly. These are called the salim because they are the whole one and they are coming in the same way. Only at the end we are adding atun. Like here, kitabun. So, kitabun, its plural is broken plural. Kutubun, waladun, auladun, bintun, banatun, jabalun, jibalun. We have done the, what we have done? We have done the dual. Don't get confused, okay? Earlier we have discussed about the dual, which is kitabun, kitabani, kitabaini. Are you getting it, Nida? So we are not supposed to get confused in the plural and the dual, right? Yes.
हाँ मतलब अगर इफ यू हैव मरफू तो उसका किताबुन का जो प्लूरल होगा किताबानी होगा, और इफ यू
No,
हैव मंसूब और मजरूर,
dual. We have done the
हाँ
dual.
हाँ हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट ना, तो और जो अगर वी हैव मजरू एंड मंसूब एंड मजरूर देन वो किताबानी होगा, डुअल डुअल होगा।
Exactly. Now
ठीक है
we
ना,
are discussing
हाँ
about the plural. So plurals are
ओके
broken. So at times, because in the beginning, when I was learning as a student, so our teacher didn't mention about these things. So we were confused that why we are saying kitabani and kutubun and kitabaini. What is the difference behind it?
अच्छा एक चीज आपसे दोबारा कंफर्म कर रही हूँ, जैसे हमने जैसे दीज आर ब्रोकन वन ना, मुकस्सर
Exactly.
वन, तो इनका इनका डुअल तो है वो उसी फॉर्मूले से चल रहा है जो कि आपने मरफू और मजरूर का फॉर्मूला
Exactly.
बताया,
Exactly.
लेकिन इनका प्लूरल में डिफरेंस आ रहा है, इनके प्लूरल में वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है।
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है। ठीक है,
ओके
लाइक कलमुन, अकलामुन। कलमुन का जो प्लूरल है वो है अकलामुन, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट डुअल, सो कलमानी, कलमैनी। ऑलराइट, ओके। किताबुन, कुतुबुन, वलदुन। I hope you guys will read it because we have only 6 minutes left. So let's move on. We can check. Yes, Zainab, do you have any question so far? I will share these charts in the group. So do a lot of it.
Actually, my net is not working properly. That's why that connection is
Okay.
connection. I will watch the recording.
Did you understand about the difference between these two kinds of plural?
They are dependent upon the dama and marfu. I think यही है, मतलब मैं last
That
year कुछ
was
time नहीं
dual.
लिया ना।
That was dual. Dual means musanna, जो दो होते हैं ना, दो. We were talking about, like, you see, earlier we have discussed about dual. These are dual we are talking about. See, wahid and musanna.
Okay.
This is dual. This is not plural. So don't get confused and don't jumbled it up in your head. These are the dual where we have discussed about marfu, mansoob and majroor, ani, aini करके हमने जो differentiate किया, ठीक है? These are the dual. But after the dual, I told you there are two kinds of plural, jama mukassar and jama salim, broken plural and complete plural. जो जमा मुकस्सर होता है, broken plural होता है, it has no rules and regulations. Without rules, we see the plural of the words. And salim would be like una or atun in plural. When we make dual, when we make plural, like Muslimun. So I am putting the exact word and at the end what we are adding, una. Okay, so this is the salim, jama salim. Okay. Like for instance, we have to add only una and atun. Una in muzakkar, masculine, and atun, atin in muannas. All right. This is a first kind. Second kind is mukassir, broken plural, which I talk about. So broken plural has no rules and regulations. Like you can say here rasulun word, we have to convert it in plural, so it would be rusulun. It has no rule that how we are making the plural from the singular word. So we need to remember, we need to learn them. Rasulun is a singular and its plural is rusulun. Likewise, I told you sahibun, ashabun. Like, see here, kitabun, kutubun. It's plural. And earlier we have discussed about the dual. So keep remember, we are not get confused about that. We have two kinds of plural and we need to check which two kind of plural, and we need to learn them. These are the broken plural: kitabun, kutubun, waladun, auladun, bintun, banatun. See, the word is change. The word is change. Not the same word is coming and we are adding at the end something. No, that in Jama Salim we do this, but in Jama Mukassar we are not supposed to do this because they are broken plural. It can be anything. It can be anything. Like for instance, see, you can say naharun, anharun. So we are not putting naharun, naharun har. No, it's a broken because we are adding in the beginning at the in and the ending. We are adding the words and it's broken. All right.
Yes,
Rajulun.
we can say that in the words which tells us about something is done, something is being done, then we put una or ani, ani, sorry. मतलब मैं कहने का मतलब है कि जैसे ये है तो समझ ही नहीं कोई वो है ना, मतलब इनका कोई रूल नहीं है जैसा आपने बताया.
आप rejoin
तो
करें. Let me give you a quick look again. I think you got confused in between dual and plurals, right?
yes, I got confused, but now I am clear. But one thing I want to say that जो आपने पहले बताया ना सालिम जो आपने बताए वो ज्यादातर वो थे जिनके अंदर कोई बात बताई जाती थी कि ऐसा मतलब रोजा रखने
Exactly.
वाले या कोई, तो उसमें हम शायद ये सारे ऐसे हैं, तो शायद ये सालिम इनका मतलब कुछ अंदाजा हो जाए ना हमें तो लफ्ज को देखकर कि मतलब जो
This is the
जनरल
way.
वर्ड
This
हैं
is the way we need to do practice. I'm going to share the charts in the group. So in practice session, you guys have to go through the things. These all are the most probably words are from Quran. So try to do the practice. And these are the broken plurals. I will try my level best to take out more words which are broken plurals. So I'll definitely share with you. So far you have these words, so you have to learn. Yes, Zainab. You want to say something?
Okay, yes, I'm clear now. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Okay, so I think there is no need to rejoin. Do the practice as much as you can. The more you will do the practice, the more you will get the understanding in between the difference of dual, plural, broken plural, and whole plural. All right. And I'm sharing these charts as well, so they would help you. Jazakallah khair. Let's.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma salama.
Ma salam.